Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hello friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. It's a 43-inch Sony Full HD Smart Android LED TV. Here in this TV, the Sony logo comes for a second, then the TV start rebooting 3 to 5 times. See friends, this is the fault. After restarting 3 to 5 times, the TV will automatically stuck on boot logo. See. So here we going to repair this TV, and the complete video regarding this topic is coming soon on our channel. We will upload the full repairing video of this fault. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.